In this video, I'll show you how to set the best character settings for realistic conversations on polybuzz. First is you should think on what character personality would fit to create your desired realistic conversation. In this page, you have the option to provide the avatar, name, and gender of the character that you prefer. After creating, one thing you should be mindful would be is how to configure the character's trait in a way that it would align with your desired realistic conversation. You can give your character a brief description like the type of personality and detailed backstory about the relationships, like experiences, and culture. Next is you have to craft a greeting that defines your character and sets the scene. Take note, more details, the better. Here's my example. You can also choose the permission if public or private. With this, you should already know the personality of your character because you choose the character classification. Character origin, I choose anime. For personality, I choose shy and funny. For the story, friends to lovers, and identity is a billionaire. Also, keep in mind that you need to choose an established, believable personality. Next is you have the option to provide a more detailed character description, like the background information or traits of your character. In this part, you should create a more consistent context of the character. Avoid too many conflicting traits. You should focus on choosing the best behavioral traits and ethics. You can input more details about the character that you want it to be. Next is the dialogue style. You're free to choose if it's dialogue or text. Then choose the character's voice. There's many options for an ideal voice. Example, charismatic and gentleman. Lastly, you need to confirm your character. Just click to check the bubble. Then create your character. And that's how you create the best settings for your character. Thank you for watching.